Nice one. So this morning we're going to be showing you how to we got a glass right here. So this is my glass, and I'm going to be showing you how to make the most healthiest weight loss drink. This is one thing you want to drink first thing in the morning. We're going to get lemon. You can use half a lemon or a lime. Squeeze it out. Inside of your cup like this. Lovely. So that's the lemon juice. I'm going to put some apple cider vinegar of about 1.5 teaspoons. And now we're going to get water. We're going to pour some water into it like this. Mix it. Now, this is a drink you want to drink every morning for at least 7 days for a perfect weight loss right here. Apple cider vinegar, lime, and water. Not only that, it's good for your kidney. It does detox the kidney. This gives you a lot of energy and make you feel good for the day. I would encourage you to give this a try also. Now, remember, you can get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. Very powerful drink, all right? You can get it on Amazon or go to my website, chefricardo.co.uk. So this right here, I drink this every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You can drink it 2 times a day, 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening before bedtime. Here's a recipe. Enjoy it, and I will see you with more recipes and more ideas. Have a good time.